Hey guys, it's Candy, and I've got a quick share for a Get It Done. This is a little paper pumpkin kit that I had bought at a yard sale a while back, and it was just in a plastic bag, so I'm not sure if it had everything in it. So I made a couple of the cards that were similar to the way they did it, and then I also added some ephemera that I had gotten from a paper pack that I picked up at a garage sale type place that had little bears and little foxes. So it was just kind of a miscellaneous paper pack. So the first card I made was this little 3x3, and I like these for when I'm doing Happy Mail for others. So just a little note, and then this little cutie, and this was what they actually showed you to make in the paper pumpkin pack, and it comes with a little envelope. And then this again was just the same because I used those quite a bit. And this is one of the bears that I picked out, so this was kind of my design. And I didn't put sentiments on it yet because I didn't know if it was going to be for birthday or thinking of you or what I was going to use them for, so I left those blanks for now. This one is the way they showed to do it with the thanks. Here's a thinking of you. And I believe this too is a little different than what they did. And then I just love this one. I love teddy bears, so I thought this would make a really cute birthday card for a little one. So I'll probably put happy birthday in there. And my next one, I just thought the colors of the papers went really well with these little cutouts. And again, probably a birthday or thinking of you kind of thing. And then this little cutie is the last one. But that is, got it all the parts that were in the kit that I had finished up. So that's one more thing I got off my Get It Done list. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have those paper pumpkins, pull them out and don't be afraid to do a little different than what they show. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.